Hello, my night listeners. This is Sunny with Nite Muse Media. Welcome, bringing you a little light in the night. Tonight, we're taking a moment away from the noise of the world to notice something quieter. 5 small lights shining in the night. Our first light is on Evergreen Lake in Colorado. A charity event suddenly turned frightening when a man fell through thin ice nearly 700 feet from shore. Before emergency crews could reach him, a young bystander sprinted across the frozen lake, crawled carefully to the hole in the ice, and pulled the man to safety. And then, just as quietly as he appeared, the rescuer slipped away without even giving his name. Sometimes the most extraordinary heroes are the ones we never hear from again. Second, a 9-year-old girl was excited for her birthday party, but when the time came, no guests arrived. The moment could have ended in heartbreak, but when neighbors and strangers heard what happened, the community rallied together and dozens of people showed up to celebrate, bringing gifts, laughter, and support. What began as a lonely afternoon became a party she will never forget. Kindness has a way of spreading quickly when people decide to care. The third one, a surgeon. He noticed something unusual when a young boy arrived for heart surgery. He was completely alone. After helping save the child's life, the doctor's compassion, it didn't stop in the operating room. He eventually adopted the boy and helped find loving homes for the children's 5 siblings as well. A single moment of compassion can reshape an entire family's future. Bravo. Fourth, a young student decided he wanted to help people in need, so he started collecting aluminum cans, one by one and bag by bag. Over time, that simple idea grew into something remarkable. He eventually recycled more than 1 million cans, donating all the proceeds to charity. Proof that small acts repeated over time can become something fabulous. And finally, a group of high school students decided to learn auto repair, but they didn't stop there. They began repairing donated cars and giving them to single mothers who needed reliable transportation for work and family life. Young people quietly building solutions for their community. 5 stories and 5 reminders that kindness still moves quietly through the world every single day. Sometimes it appears in moments of courage, sometimes in simple generosity, and sometimes in people who choose to help, even when no one is watching. A little light in the night. Follow the signals, question the noise. I'll see you on the Nite Side.